What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. All I gotta say is, if it is your first time stopping by, just do me a favor and subscribe. We're trying to hit 3K by the end of this year. So with all that said, let's start the Z and let's go for a drive. Gotta let her warm up, but it is raining outside, guys. As you can see, we're in Florida, so when is it not raining? But yeah, just a little walk around to the Z real quick. It's bone stock, but still a blast to drive, especially when the roads are wet. So with all that said, we're gonna let the Z warm up and then head out. But all right, guys, the Z's all warmed up, and I am excited to get on the road. All right. Slow down. I didn't realize I was going so fast already, but yeah, guys, this is like the absolute best. Just cruising, windows down. Your interior does get a little wet, but it's all good. I don't know why, but it's just like the tires on the road, like going through the water, it just makes like a wonderful sound that I can't explain. But we're probably gonna have to fill up soon. I'm not looking forward to it. This car, it's pretty expensive. It takes 93, so 91, 93, whatever is available. But yo, 370, sick, dude. It's like my absolute favorite thing, guys, when I'm driving and I just catch like another Z, like cruising down the road. It's like the best feeling ever. 370, 280Z, whatever, just any type of Z, guys. It just makes my day like so much more better. So like I said, we're gonna have to fill up on gas. I might stop at Wawa to get some snacks or whatever, because I'm kind of hungry. All right, let's go. Oh my god, guys, I absolutely love to do that. It's like legit my favorite thing to do. Just like turn traction off and let the car do its thing. it's a cop. Don't act suspicious. Let's try to get as far away from him as possible. Let me turn traction on just to be safe. Don't want any accidents to happen. That would be pretty bad. I didn't even ask, how are you guys doing today? I hope everything's going good for you. And as for me, you know, I got off work about like 2 hours ago and I couldn't be any more happier. I'm just happy that I'm finally off and able to enjoy the rest of my afternoon. Literally doesn't get better than this, guys. We got a naturally aspirated 3.5 liter V6. Combine that with a 6-speed manual rear wheel drive. Literally so much fun. There's a lot of other good cars to get though besides the Z. I'll say like an S2K if you can get one for the right price, RSX, you know, but for me this car hits the sweet spot and it's just so good. Like, it's insane. And yeah, guys, I'm even hyped to see the new 400Z on the street. Like, it's gonna look so good in all those crazy colors. Yeah, I think my favorite color probably has to be the white. It's just so clean. I hope it's like a pearl white. I like how they use a 370 chassis because it's an extremely good chassis to use. I love the tail lights. A lot of people don't love the front end. I like it. I feel like when people see the car in person, it'll grow on them more. So I think it's cool. It's kind of like a morph of all the Z's combined and like, oh, losing traction over there. So right now we are 35 miles till empty and I don't know where the nearest gas station is. So I think it's safe to say we're most likely gonna head back, turn around. I have not been stranded yet in this car, so I do not want today to be the first time I get stranded. We'll just bust a Yui right here. All right, I think we're good. This car rips, dude. And I had traction control on. This thing rips, dude. Jeez. Fuck, I love this car. I understand why people use these cars and set these cars up to drift. They're so tail happy, especially when the roads are wet. But man, that would have been bad if I did not let off. My advice, if your car was like, you know, the tail kicked out and you were spinning all over the place, just let off the throttle, try to counter steer and try to, you know, input some braking, but don't lock up your brakes. That's probably, you know, my best advice. Hopefully you guys don't, you know, crash, because I've definitely come close to it, and it's not fun. It's very scary. But I think I have, you know, pretty decent amount of seat time in this car. I'm comfortable with the chassis. You know, I'm comfortable with the power. And that just comes with driving, guys. You just got to drive your car, get to know it, and you know, before you push it to the limit, make sure that you know, you have enough seat time. That's like the key. That's my advice for the day, I guess. But yeah, you don't want to be that guy to spin out, you know, while you leave the car meet.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
So guys, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this drive, and I will see you literally 2 seconds. I will see you at the gas station. We're going to fill up the car, so. Sheesh. You already know we had to get that 93. Fueling up right now. Check out this Fox body right here, guys. 5.0. It's pretty clean. But yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here, guys. So if you did stay this long during the video, I just want to say thank you so much. I appreciate and love you guys so much, and I read all the comments, and I try to reply to each and every one of you guys. It means the world to me that you guys support me this much. And yeah, I'm just going to keep bringing you guys videos, and hopefully we can hit our goal of 3K by the end of this year. But with all that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.